So the next topic which we are going to discuss is called brand extension. So we have already covered few topics. For example, what is brand? What is its meaning? We also talked about its significance. We talked about branding elements. We also talked about what are the essentials of branding elements. And now in this particular session, we were talking about brand extension. So the big question is that what is brand extension and how does it a firm can grow, right? A firm can focus on their current product or their market. So one of the strategies which is commonly used when any company wants to grow, they always focus on their current products and current market. That means the products which they already manufacture in the markets in which they are already operating, they focus on that particular thing. And that's the reason why that is called product penetration. That means you're trying to penetrate your existing product in a particular market. Then the second category is putting the existing products into a new market. So the second choice you have is that you can put up your existing product. That means you the products which you manufacture right now to a new market. That's a new market. And so this is called your market development strategy. So basically we are discussing Anshoff matrix. Okay, I will share this separately with you also. Put new products into existing market. So when you put up new products into an existing market, that means the market is already existing, but you have new products for them. So that is called product development strategy. And then the last one is to put the new products into new market. That's a complete diversification. That means you have the products also new and you have the markets also new. So what is a brand extension? When a company use their existing brand name to launch a new product in a different category, for example, Maggie extended itself to sauces, to masala, to pasta. So Samsung extended itself to the Galaxy series, into laptop category, right? So you're using the existing name. That means Maggie was an existing that was only making the 2-minute noodles. At the same time, Samsung was more into home appliances. Later on, you came into mobile phones also. You came into laptop also with the same name. So here the name is same. The existing brand is being used to launch new product categories. So what are the assumptions of brand extension? Whenever you're doing brand extension, what assumptions you can take? First, consumer has some awareness and positive association with the brand name. So you have this idea that all the customers which you have in the market, they have some kind of awareness about your brand. They know what kind of capabilities you have, what in which product category you are operating right now, and they also have some positive association. That means there is some emotional connection between the brand and the customers. Second important assumption is existing positive emotion with the brand will help you to extend in the other categories also. So when you're extending into a new category, you always expect your customers to also follow you. They should buy the new product also. That can only be possible when they have a positive association with your existing product. So whatever product you are doing, for example, Samsung was doing well in the home appliances. So when they were doing well into TVs, into washing machine, into refrigerators, so then customer has that positive image, has that positive association. So when they extended into Galaxy series, when they extended into laptop series, the people did follow it, and that's why customers were eager to buy those products as well. Brand extension will not create negative impact on the existing brand, and this is very important. Whenever you are moving to a new category, you have to make sure that the new category is also at par with in terms of quality with your existing product. Otherwise it will negatively affect your existing product category as well. So if, for example, if Samsung will not do well in the laptop category or in the mobile phone category, there is a possible chance that people will stop buying their home appliances as well, because as a brand you will lose that association. So what are the advantages of doing any kind of extension? The first advantage is this can reduce the risk of a brand as it increases the portfolio of the brand. So when you are doing a lot of product categories, you are into multiple product categories, that reduces your risk levels. That gives you that portfolio that, okay, even if you are not doing good in mobile phones, I will be doing good in home appliances. If I'm not doing at home appliances, I'll be doing into TV categories, in the television category. If the television category is not doing well, I'll be doing good in the laptop category. So that means you have sometimes a same customer can buy multiple products from the same brand. Okay, so I have seen so many houses where all the appliances are from Samsung, all the appliances are from Whirlpool. So that is also a case because there is an emotional bond of the customer with the brand. Brand generally use the same distribution channel for extending. So distribution channel is not a difficult task generally, because you already have that uh, existing distribution channel which you can use for the new category as well. So there you can easily save your cost. Avoid the cost of developing new names. So a lot of brands, what they do, they use their existing name. They always try to use, for example, Samsung use Samsung only, LG use LG only, Hair use Hair only, uh, Lloyd use Lloyd only. So a lot of brands, the Whirlpool use Whirlpool only. So the lot of brands, they don't want to get into new product name or new brand name. They use their existing name for developing all their products. Brand extension may also provide a variety to the loyal customer. So sometimes loyal customer also look for uh, the product from the same brand in the other category also. So for example, I have a refrigerator from Whirlpool. So when I go in the marketplace, I might look for a television from Whirlpool as well. But if I don't find it, then I will buy it something else. So that's why loyal customers do look for products in the other categories as well. What are the disadvantages? So it is risky as well. It is not something that only good things are associated with brand extension. There are some certain disadvantages as well. First, it could be very risky, because risky in two terms. First, it can affect uh, or cannibalize the sales of the parent brand. That means it can hurt the image of the existing brand or existing product category, and both can suffer the loss. The new extension can also fail, first, and second, it can affect your existing product category as well. So extension is not that easy. It might be a double loss at times. Using the same brand name into different categories may confuse or frustrate the customers. So lot of times customer are not able to don't find this strategy a good strategy, that you're using the same name for getting into different categories, because that confuses customers. So but at times it can be an advantage also, and it can be a disadvantage. It depends upon the customer preference. A lot of customer prefer the same brand name. At the same time, a lot of customers believe that they should be using a particular name only for a particular category, and if they're getting into another category, they should come up with a new name. So this was all about brand extension. I hope this topic is clear. We discussed about advantages, disadvantages, assumptions of brand extension, what is brand extension, and we had a little quick overview of Anshoff matrix as well. So thank you for watching this particular session. And